Welcome to our guide on the top 5 best dash cams of 2024. In the dynamic world of automotive technology, dash cams have become indispensable for drivers looking to enhance their vehicle's safety and security. As technology advances, staying informed about the latest dash cam innovations is essential for making smart purchasing decisions. This list has been meticulously compiled based on performance, design, feature set, and groundbreaking technological advancements specific to dash cams in 2024. Whether you're a professional driver, a daily commuter, or someone who enjoys long road trips, these top contenders are designed to meet a wide range of needs. As always, you can check pricing for any of these products in the description below. Now let's explore the best dash cams of 2024. Number 5. Vantrue N2 Pro Uber Dual Dash Cam. The Vantrue N2 Pro Uber Dual Dash Cam is designed with the security needs of rideshare drivers in mind, but its features make it an excellent choice for any driver seeking comprehensive vehicle surveillance. This dual dash cam records both the road ahead and the interior of the car, capturing footage in 1080p resolution for both channels simultaneously. For front-only recording, it supports higher resolution video capture at 25K, ensuring detailed and clear footage. Equipped with infrared night vision, the N2 Pro allows for clear recording in low-light conditions inside the vehicle, a crucial feature for drivers who work at night. This capability ensures that all interactions within the car are captured clearly, regardless of lighting conditions. The camera's 170-degree front lens and 140-degree inside lens offer wide-angle coverage that captures more of the environment, reducing blind spots significantly. Advanced parking mode features include a motion sensor that activates and records footage when motion is detected, offering protection and evidence collection even when the car is parked and unattended. This feature relies on a built-in battery and can also be enhanced with a hardwire kit for continuous power supply. The Vantrue N2 Pro also supports up to a 256GB micro SD card, allowing for extensive video storage. This capacity is crucial for ensuring that drivers can retain footage over long periods without needing frequent transfers. With its robust build and essential security features, the Vantrue N2 Pro is ideal for drivers who prioritize safety and detailed recording of both road and interior views. Number 4. Garmin Dash Cam 57. The Garmin Dash Cam 57 is a compact and discreet solution designed for drivers who want high-quality recordings without cluttering their windshield. This device captures video in sharp 1440p resolution, providing clear footage that can be crucial in the event of an incident. The camera features a 140-degree field of view, wide enough to capture significant details across multiple lanes of traffic, yet focused enough to avoid distortion. One of the standout features of the Dash Cam 57 is its connectivity capabilities. It includes new connected features that allow the device to communicate with a smartphone via the Garmin Drive app. This functionality enables the user to receive alerts about their parked car and review footage remotely, adding a layer of convenience and security not found in many other dash cams. The Garmin Dash Cam 57 also supports voice control, which allows for hands-free operation. Commands like save video or take a picture can be executed without taking your hands off the wheel, enhancing safety while driving. Additionally, this model comes with a memory card included, so users can start recording right out of the box without needing to purchase additional accessories. With its discreet design, advanced recording capabilities, and enhanced connectivity features, the Garmin Dash Cam 57 is an excellent choice for tech-savvy drivers looking for a reliable, high-performance dash cam that integrates seamlessly into their daily driving routines. Number 3. Nextbase 522GW Dash Cam Front and Rear. The Nextbase 522GW sets a high standard in the dashcam industry, offering not only front and rear recording capabilities, but also a suite of connectivity features that enhance user experience. This model captures video in 1440p Quad HD at 30 frames per second from the front camera, ensuring detailed and clear footage. The rear camera provides additional coverage, making it invaluable in the case of rear-end collisions or incidents while reversing. Equipped with a 3-inch touchscreen and an intuitive user interface, the 522GW is easy to operate. It includes integrated Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, allowing for seamless video transfer and backups via the Nextbase app. This connectivity also facilitates easy sharing of footage with insurance providers or law enforcement directly from a smartphone. The device features a 10 Hz GPS module for accurate speed and location data embedded in video files, which can be crucial for insurance claims and legal purposes. The dash cam also supports Alexa voice control, enabling hands-free operations such as playing music, placing calls, or listening to audiobooks, all without taking your hands off the wheel. For parking security, the 522 gigawatts offers an intelligent parking mode that automatically records any bump or physical movement on the vehicle when left unattended. This model is also renowned for its superior night vision capabilities, using enhanced sensors to capture critical details in low-light conditions. Overall, the Nextbase 522 gigawatts is a versatile and powerful tool for drivers who require robust recording capabilities and connected features for added convenience and security. Number 2. Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 epitomizes the saying small but mighty. This incredibly compact dash cam does not sacrifice performance for size, offering 1080p recording with a 140-degree field of view that captures a wide-angle perspective of the road, all in a device that's no larger than a car key. Despite its diminutive size, the Dash Cam Mini 2 packs a significant technological punch. It features incident detection technology that automatically saves footage on impact, ensuring that crucial moments are not lost. The camera operates seamlessly with the Garmin Drive app, providing wireless video sync and the ability to view, edit, and share footage directly from your smartphone. This model also supports voice control, allowing users to save video, start-stop audio recording, and take still pictures simply by speaking commands, which significantly enhances the safety and convenience of operating the device while driving. Moreover, the Dash Cam Mini 2 includes a Signature Series cloth in the box, adding a touch of style to its practical application. Ideal for drivers who prefer a discreet yet effective recording solution, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 offers a balance of advanced features and simplicity, ensuring reliable performance without cluttering the windshield. Its straightforward setup and operation, combined with robust connectivity options, make it a favorite among tech-savvy users looking for a compact dash cam solution. Number 1. Nextbase 622 gigawatts front and rear dash cam. Claiming the top spot on our list, the Nextbase 622 gigawatts front and rear dash cam is a powerhouse in the world of automotive safety devices, offering unparalleled protection and peace of mind while driving. This model captures the road ahead and behind in stunning true 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, providing crystal clear footage that can be crucial in the event of an accident or incident on the road. One of the standout features of the 622 gigawatts is its enhanced night vision capability, ensuring high quality recordings even in low light conditions. The inclusion of what 3 words integration offers a precise location service that can pinpoint your exact location to emergency services without needing data, an invaluable feature in emergency situations. The dash cam also boasts built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, allowing for seamless video transfer and backups via the Nextbase app. This connectivity simplifies sharing footage with insurance providers or legal authorities. Additionally, the dashcam is equipped with an integrated Alexa voice control, enabling drivers to perform actions like playing music, placing calls, and controlling smart home devices, all hands-free. The 622 gigawatts supports an innovative parking mode that uses its G-sensor to detect movement around the vehicle when parked, automatically recording any bump or physical movement against the vehicle. This feature provides an extra layer of security when the car is left unattended. With its combination of advanced recording technology, safety features, and user-friendly connectivity options, the Nextbase 622 gigawatts sets a new standard for what drivers can expect from a dash cam. It offers not just evidence in case of incidents, but also a suite of tools designed to enhance driver safety and convenience on the road. In wrapping up our journey through the top 5 dash cams of 2024, it's clear that each model brings its own strengths to the table, reflecting the diverse needs and aspirations of today's drivers. From the compact and discreet Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 to the high-performance and feature-rich Nextbase 622 gigawatts, this lineup showcases the best in modern dash cam technology. The Nextbase 622 gigawatts stands out as the ultimate choice, offering unmatched video quality, innovative safety features, and robust connectivity, making it the perfect companion for any journey. Remember, you can find links to all these products in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content like this. Thanks for watching.